Yo my guys, I hope you have a really great day. So in this video I am going to talk a little bit about landing page. So this is like introduction video. So why we need landing page? We need landing page for promote affiliate products like ClickBank and Amazon affiliate, like that. Also collect emails from our users or our customers and provide more information about those products. Also, most of that, some social media like Pinterest not allowed to add our hop link or add our affiliate link directly to our Pinterest account or our bot or Pinterest pin. So if you drive Pinterest traffic to your affiliate product, you will not allow to do it by Pinterest. Also, currently Instagram allow to add our affiliate link, but we don't own Instagram. We don't own any social media account. So in future, if Instagram not allow to add our affiliate link, we will lose our account and lose our earn traffic. So that is why we need to create landing page for drive traffic. So landing page, we can add our landing page URL to our Pinterest and Instagram accounts, also Facebook account, and when some user click on that link, that person will be redirected to our landing page. So in our landing page there has link to our affiliate product. So that is why we need our own landing page. So most of people use ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels is really great service and really great application. It will allow to create beautiful landing page within 1 hour or 2 hours, but the issue is price. So if you are new or if you are beginner to promote affiliate products, so you currently didn't make any sense on affiliate marketing like me, I am new to ClickBank and I am new to affiliate. So you can check my previous videos, so I will put link on description, so you will understand my position of affiliate marketing. So by the way, ClickFunnels is really high if you are beginner. So you have to pay at least $97 per month. So that is really high amount. But if we use Bootstrap is free. Bootstrap is CSS library and Bootstrap HTML, and create our own landing page. We can do it for free. Also, we can get domain and hosting for year under $40. Yeah, under $40. So that means within that year we can earn some money from ClickBank or earn some money from affiliate. So that after we earn some money, we can, if we want, we can change to ClickFunnels or we can improve our landing page. So that is why I am going to create this landing page video series. I already create landing page website, how to create video about how to create landing page website, but this is different. This is only landing page. So this is so simple video series. So I hope you will get really good understanding about create landing page and host it, and you will save lot of money. So I will give this all information for free. So I hope you will get really good understanding. So let's see on the tutorial. I will guide you step by step. So yeah, if you like this video, like it and comment, subscribe, and I will see you in next time. Bye bye.